Welcome to Frontline. In this video, I'm going to show you what the public portal looks like and how a civilian would be able to come on and make a compliment and or complaint. So this would be your public portal page. You would have your own URL here for the public to get to. It would have your department badge here at the top, your department name. At the bottom, there is a customized disclaimer that you get to create internally for whatever you want down here. Then you get to choose whether or not you want compliments and or complaints on here. So if a civilian wanted to come in and make a complaint, they would come and submit now. They're going to come in and plug in their information. There is an anonymous button. This is an on-off feature you get to choose internally. So if they do want to remain anonymous, they can just mark that here and it'll remove some fields. Otherwise, there is only a few fields that are required. So their first name, last name, their street, address, city, state, zip, their email addresses are required. They're then going to come in and put in the incident date, time, location, the officer or employee involved. So we're not going to give them a drop-down list or a roster to choose from. They'll have to supply that information for us, whether it be a first name, last name, badge number. This is open text, so if they wanted to write a description of what that person looked like, they can. They can add any witnesses in as well. And then they're going to write a narrative of what happened. They're going to mark I am not a robot and then hit submit now. Once they hit submit, they are going to get an email notification letting them know that complaint has been submitted. They'll also get a complaint ID associated with that. And then you internally, whoever you marked as receiving that public portal notification, would also receive that email notification letting you know an entry has been made through the public portal. And then that's when you would be able to go in and investigate that incident. If somebody wanted to come on and make a compliment, do the same thing. They would hit submit now. They have the option to remain anonymous if they want to. They would come in, if they didn't remain anonymous, fill in those required fields, put in that incident date, time, location, the officer or employee involved. Again, we're not giving them a drop-down list or a roster to choose from, so supply some kind of information for us. Write a narrative of what happened, and then mark I am not a robot, and submit now. Once you hit submit, they will also get a compliment ID number associated with that, and then you internally would also get an email notification regarding this entry being made. That is how the public portal works and what it looks like. Thank you for watching this video.